Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to create your Zentangle today. I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can start it, but if you know of another way or you want to figure out another way to do your Zentangle, you can do that too. Just remember, you want to make sure there are many sections for you to fill pattern. So the first one I'm going to show you is the hand Zentangle. And all you have to do is put your hand on your paper and trace it to start. And with this one, you get to choose your positive and negative space. So let's say you want to use the negative space to do your Zentangle in. You can do that. So that's what I'll do. I will create my Zentangle in the negative space in my artwork. So now my wrist looks all tiny, but that's okay. So what you're going to do, I said you need to make sections. So I'm using a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a book or a straight piece of paper or just something that is a flat edge. And you can just start breaking up whichever section you want to do your Zentangle in. So I'm kind of making my Zentangle here in the background, breaking it up. Maybe I'll do one here. So this in itself is kind of zen, just drawing these lines nice and slowly, taking your time. It's kind of relaxing. So from there, that's when you can start, when you feel like you have enough sections here, you can start making your Zentangle. Maybe I need one more. I suggest going ahead and outlining this in black pen or black marker if you have it. And once you outline this first section, then you can just start making your pattern using that black marker. You don't have to make your pattern in pencil and then do black marker over it. What I mean by that is you will take what you made for your Zentangle, this base for it, and of course you're going to outline it in black, but then once you've outlined this whole thing, you don't have to use your pencil again. You can just start making your designs and your pattern with that black pen or black marker that you created or that you have. Sorry. All right. So that is way number 1 that you can do your Zentangle. Way number 2. You can take a big thing of tape. So maybe not a tiny bit of tape, but a big one, like duct tape. And you can create some circles that overlap each other. Not too many. You don't want to be doing this for the rest of your life. You just kind of randomly place them all around. Okay. And once you fill your page up with those circles that are all overlapping, then again, I want you to take that black marker and go back in. If you're wondering if you can just start this with the black pen or black marker instead of having to trace over, the answer is yes. You can absolutely just start it with the black marker and trace over. I always just do pencil because I always feel like I might mess up. So once you've got all of those outlined in black, then you can go ahead and start with your pattern on the inside of your circles. But with each section, it's going to be something different. So this little part is a section. This part is a section. It's a separate section. Okay. This part is a section. So really pay attention to where your sections are in this project for the circles. Okay, so that's way number 2 that you're going to be able to do your Zentangle. Finally, the last way I'm showing you is with a ruler, and it's very similar to the hand, but without the hand. So with this one, you're just breaking your page up into sections. So you can just kind of crisscross lines with that ruler, or you can, again, use like a book that's maybe hardcover, that's straight edge. But you're just, putting a bunch of lines around. And just like the circles, don't overdo it because then you're going to be sitting there doing this forever. So just try and do, a good amount of sections. Not too little, not too many. How many did I do? I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Not too many lines. And then so again, this is the same thing. You're outlining it with marker. Okay. And then on the inside, you are adding your pattern. My suggestion for you is to go into my MCPS and go into that slideshow presentation that I showed you. Or of course, if you're seeing this for the first time, go into my MCPS, go into modules and find the Nearpod slideshow. And in that Nearpod slideshow, there are examples of Zentangles and pattern. And if you have that up on your computer while you're working on this, it'll help you to get ideas for pattern to put in your work. So in the end, you're going to have a Zentangle that's filled all the way up. Make sure you take a picture of the work and turn it in this module that you are in right now. Have fun, be nice and relaxed, be mindful, and I hope you have a great day.